We are with Sergio Casella, who's CEO of paper converting machine company Italia, which is part of the US group paper converting machine company, which bought Ital Converting in 1999. Can you explain to us why a US company decided to invest here in Lucca, in the Tuscan region?
It was one mainly a strategic decision, because here in Lucca there are the main center of this kind of business. Paper converting machine company was one of the leaders of the market in the 70s, in the 60s, etc., and practically lost the market because other competitors and other producers started to build and produce machines here in this area. The main production site in Europe was in England, in southwest of England, in Plymouth. It was a big company, but finally they were out of the main center of this business. So the decision was in 1999 to acquire a company that was in the area to be, let's say, inside of the center of the business. This means a very good logistics, means that airports and port and then be in the center of the complete world, good connections, but also the technology and also the knowledge of the people in this area about this product. It was very, very important also the help of the university, because both University Pisa and Florence are providing good engineers that are able to design, and they understand this kind of business. And mainly in Lucca area, we can really breathe and smell the presence of the tissue industry. And also it's more easy, let's say, to design and to develop and to produce this kind of machines, this kind of technology here instead of in England or instead in every part of the world.
The Italian unit has become the international hub of paper converting machine company. Why did you choose Tuscany to cover Europe, Asia, Latin America and Africa?
This was, again, a strategic choice because mainly, finally, and it was very interesting to me, in the United States, our company understood that the two markets were completely different. The international market was completely different than their domestic market. And they found here the right people and the right environment to develop correctly what the market needs in the international market. This means that the technology that we are producing here is different than the technology they are used to produce in the United States. And it's the main reason why they choose this area as a main hub for managing and to leading the international markets from them. Another step was really important in 2005. They decided to really give us the complete independence from the United States. So this unit with England, with our production plant in England, is fully responsible for the international market. We are not, from 2005 anymore, related to the PCMC in the United States in Green Bay, but we report directly to the group president, which is in St. Louis, and to the company that the mother company of the group, that is a very familiar company. We collaborate with the United States, of course, because we produce similar products, but at the end we are completely alone and independent in our business.
It's very surprising to see that the average age of your workforce is about 35, and your staff is mainly composed of engineers and technicians. Is it easy to find that kind of profile here in Lucca?
Let's say it's quite easy because we have, as I told before, a good university, and as a background, our engineers are very good. They start with a very, very high level of knowledge. Naturally, when we hire them, they need years of internal training, so we have a good training program here for engineers, for mechanical and for electrical engineer and control engineers. But let's say that with the good basic that they have, shortly they're able to really be qualified and be able to develop and design and be active part of our business, of our production, our development. Everybody works here is specialized. Also the operator that just assembly machine, etc. We have really good people with a good background.